Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Current Neobank. Review my US mobile banking experience. Current Neobank is a mobile banking service targeting primarily younger users and those seeking a more modern banking experience. It offers features like budgeting tools, early paycheck access, and spending insights, all accessible through a sleek mobile app. Their website provides details on the various account tiers and benefits. They emphasize ease of use, no hidden fees, and no minimum balance requirements. Compared to traditional banks, Current focuses on a digital-first approach, leveraging technology to provide faster and more accessible banking services. They also offer a teen banking option with parental controls. Availability is limited to US residents. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Current Neobank. Getting started was incredibly easy. I downloaded the app, signed up in minutes, and verified my identity quickly. The interface is clean and intuitive. Navigating through the different sections, like budgeting, transactions, and savings pods, was a breeze. I particularly liked the visual representation of my spending habits. It helped me quickly identify areas where I could potentially cut back. The early paycheck access feature was a lifesaver one time when I had an unexpected bill. Performance-wise, the app has been consistently reliable and fast. I did have a question about overdraft fees and contacted their customer support via email. They responded within a day with a clear and helpful answer. I was really impressed by how easy it was to set up savings goals using their Pods feature. The standout feature for me was definitely the real-time spending notifications. It helped me stay on top of my budget and avoid overspending. One minor drawback was the limited number of physical ATM locations, although they do reimburse fees at in-network ATMs. It took me a little while to get used to the savings pods, but once I did, it became a very useful tool. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Current Neobank. It offers a modern, user-friendly mobile banking experience with some genuinely helpful features. That's my overview of Current Neobank. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.